Hi everyone, I'm Doug and welcome back to the channel. Just a little video today with an update on the David Brown. Now the reason I thought I'd do this is I'm actually sat here trying to work out where the new choke cable goes, and I suddenly remembered, well, I did a video on it, and why don't I look back at the first video we did of the tractor to see if it shows where the choke cable runs, so I could work out how to fit it. And of course it does show it. So if you're one of those people who's been following us for a couple of years, actually 2021 I think it was that we bought that tractor, or this tractor, thank you very much for hanging around and sticking with us. I haven't done anything for ages, as you know, so I just thought I'd give you a little update. The tractor is still here, but as you can see it's a little bit shinier now. It's been delayed for quite a while, on and off. I've been working on it here and there, and now it's kind of a push to the finish. So with the recent good weather we've had in the UK, I've finally managed to get the wheels painted and the bonnet and front grille, and that's kind of spurs you on to get a bit more done and finish it. So let me show you around quickly and we'll have a look and see what we've been doing. So here it is. Nothing fancy, I'm afraid. I'm filming on my phone, so no GoPro today, literally just a quick video. So this afternoon we've put the bonnet on, we've put the badges back on, they've got little aluminium rivets in there. What else have we done? We've got the little rope here that controls the radiator blind. So since you've last seen it, it is looking quite a bit different. We had to get some new front wheels, because the old front wheels had actually all been welded all around these lugs. So I've replaced those with a good used set from Richard Pocock Tractor Spares. The brand new tyres are on, Goodyear's on the back. Around the back we still have a few bits to go. There's some badges to go on there. We've got to sort out fitting the seat yet, finish some wiring. The new steering wheel is on, but it's still got the tape on it. Light bulbs are fitted. I've just got to wire up and put the headlights in. New badge on there as well. That need a little bit of fettling to make that fit. But there we are. So it's coming along now. Still need to fit the wings, and they go on in here. Those are in the other shed actually. We've done all sorts, like we said in the first video, that is really just me waffling on for ages, so apologies for that. I know there were comments about you're just talking, not doing any work, but this was supposed to be a whole series and it just didn't happen. Lots of reasons why. If you know me, you'll know what's been going on. But yeah, in the time it's taken, there are obviously a few little things. If I show you here, there's a couple of little scratches and marks, so we've got to go around and tidy some paintwork up. We obviously cleaned lots of things up. The carburetor was all soda blasted along with the fuel taps here, but it's dulled off a little bit. It's not quite as shiny as it was. We've got all new little knobs to go on, a couple there on the gear stick already, throttle to go, all the new switches, here gauges, there, the ignition switch. This is the choke that I'm working on at the moment. So yeah, let's have a look. This, I put it up under here, under the fuel tank, but it has this little bracket on, and I was trying to remember where that goes, and it actually bolts on there. So we just want to route it through, and it looks a bit, I don't know, it looks a bit weird, I think, maybe not, but I thought it would look better under the tank, hidden away, coming around there, but there isn't actually a way to secure it, so it just has to go across the front like this. Goes into there. I'll tighten that up in a minute, and then that little clamp will go back on and mount there. So hopefully that doesn't rub through all the paint on the oil filter housing or anything, but at least it won't damage any of the wiring that's up under the dashboard. So I've still got to tidy some of that up. Ooh, my phone case is breaking, I'm afraid. So sorry about that. But yeah, all new wiring loom in there. That needs a little bit of tidying up. As usual with new looms, there's kind of excess material that you don't need, so it's just trying to neaten that up. But there we go. That is a little update video on the David Brown for you. It's coming along. It is number 50. It's really early David Brown 25, and it is going to be for sale. So it's coming up for sale shortly because I've got far too many project tractors and it needs to go. So I'm going to finish this off before I go and have my dinner. Thanks for watching. Sorry it has taken so long to get another little update video. Hello to all the new subscribers if you're following us. Please let me know what you'd like to see. I'll try and be a little bit more regular about doing some videos, and we'll show you a few different things that we're working on here at the moment. So we've still got the David Brown tractor, that's here. You might have seen it, there's a little case tractor that we're going to be taking to some steam rallies this year, doing some work on that to get that ready. There's a Fordson E27N tractor behind me that needs working on. New to me, I bought it last year, Volvo FL6 lorry over there. That I've got to do a gearbox change on and fit some new lights and things like that. And of course we do still have the Foden project here, and a Capri, that's my brother-in-law's, that's arrived recently, so we might do some videos on that if you'd like to see it. Foden, I haven't done an awful lot more. Those wings are now on, you'll have seen that in a video a little while ago. And as usual, loads and loads of petrol pump projects. 2 of these are for customers, another one we're doing for Goodwood later in the year, that one's sold. Loads going on there. So yeah, if you like those sort of things, stick around. I'll try and do a few more videos for you, and we'll see you again soon. I'll get this choke cable done now, and I'll try and get the GoPro charged up and do a proper video on fitting a few more parts back onto the David Brown. Thanks guys, have a good one, see you for now.